This is a tutorial on how to make candied grapes, aka crack grapes. The first thing you want to do is wash and completely dry your grapes. So this is the ingredients that we use. We have the flavoring. Today I'll be using the pineapple flavoring. We also have the Jolly Ranchers hard candy. We also have the food coloring. All these stuff are at Walmart. The sprinkles, we didn't really use them. And we also have white food coloring, which is very important. That's what really gets the colors to pop. We have our light corn syrup by Caro. And we have the Nerds. And we also have sugar. So next you grab your medium-sized pot, and then you're going to grab a measuring cup. In the measuring cup, you're going to pour 2 cups of sugar, 1 quart syrup, and 1 quart water. Then you're going to mix it all together. Turn the stove all the way up and just wait for it to bubble up. So in the meantime, you're going to go over and pick out what flavors you want to do for your Jolly Ranchers. We did pineapple and I believe strawberry. And you're just going to open them up and put them in the food processor. Make sure you keep an eye on the syrup that's on the stove. But we're going to get right back to that part. So yeah, right here we use the strawberry, and we also use the pineapples, and we're going to empty them out into the food processor and crush it all the way up. So we use the chop setting to crush it up. You can do it all the way until it's dusty, or you can make it look like little rocks if you want. It's all up to you. Next, you're going to place the candy thermometer inside the pot and wait for a desired temperature of 280 degrees. After reaching desired temperature, you're going to remove the pot off the stove. You're going to grab your white food coloring and put 5 drops in. And then you're going to grab your regular food coloring, whatever color you may want it to be. And you're going to grab your flavoring. You can do about 2 pours in there. And then you're going to mix everything up. You're going to see how the colors start to change. The white food coloring actually makes the desired color pop even more. So next we're gonna go over and grab our candy, and empty them into 2 separate bowls. And you want to make sure you mix them up with a spoon because they're going to start to stick together all over again. Mix both of them up. Make sure it's nice and loose or powdery, however you desire. So, one thing that's important is that you also have toothpicks. And when you use the toothpicks, you want to place it on the side of the grape that doesn't have the hole. So next we're going to grab our mixture and we're going to spin the grape inside of the mixture. This is all to how you desire you want it to be. You can make it thick, you can make it thin. It's all up to you. And then you're going to go over to the candy and spin the grapes all the way around in the candy. So lastly, I have the Nerds toppings. And then once I do that, I'm going to remove the toothpicks. And then we have our finished product. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.